guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, me and Mia are not doing much, but we are, well, she is at daycare right now because she's helping out with the lady take care of some of the kids because she said she was going to pay her to help out with the kids. So yeah, Mia's pretty much just doing that, but I'm going to make some food because, yeah, because she's probably going to be starving when I pick her up, and I don't want to have to listen, Mom, I'm hungry, make me food. But anyways, so let's just make her a salad really fast because no biggie, that's pretty easy to make, won't take long, and yeah. So let's just head over, once we're done with this, we're going to head over to the daycare and get her. So yeah, let's just cut off this lettuce and there, but also I have to mix it first, and then I'm also have to go do my makeup because I actually haven't done it today. But now I have to go do my makeup because yeah, I'm gonna do it in Lexi's room because yeah, I'm just going to because I have most of my makeup in there right now, and yeah. So I'm just gonna grab my bronzer, put a little bit of that on, and let's take some blush. Done with that, because I just need to put on bronzer and a little bit of blush because that's all I really needed to put on. So let's head over to the daycare and go get Mia because yeah. And the front door is wide open. No clue why, but you know, it's probably me just being silly and forgetting. Let's head over to the daycare, and it is kind of getting dark, but it's okay because it's not late at all. So let's go get her, and she is right in here. Okay, let's just sign the paper. I'm here to pick up Mia. There. Looks like the lady's busy doing something else, so let's go find Mia. Mia! She's not in the back. I think most of the kids are gone, so I think it should be fine, but like, let's climb. Let's see the classroom. She's not in this little tiny class. Mia! Mia, get off the roof. Mia's on the roof. Gosh, oh my gosh. Mia, you're gonna wake up the kids.
I was waiting for you. What do you mean?
Oh my gosh. Okay, well, come on. It's time to go home. I made you some food, and we have a surprise for you. Well, I did.
A surprise.
Yep, I did something with the house, but you can't know yet.
Ooh, I'm just gonna play with my slime.
Mia, enough with the slime.
A little bit got in your hair.
Mia, oh my, Mia. Okay, sit down. I made you some salad. Eat up. Hurry so I can show you. I knew you were going to be starving, so I'm just gonna myself. But you know what? Follow me. You can walk around while we eat.
Yummy.
Okay, come on. And if you come around here, Lexi's room is finally done. There's a rug. There's dishes. Yep. And
wow, it's so pretty.
And that's not all. Be careful! Do not break anything. Lexi will kill you if she finds out that you're jumping around on her stuff.
She won't find out.
Oh, come on. Let's go to your room.
I already made it.
You already made it.
It's so pretty.
Yep. Do you like it? You have like little bean bags.
I'm a baddie now.
You have your bed, you have your own dad room, and it's very cute. But come on, that's not the best part. There's more.
More?
Yep, let's go in the backyard. And look, it is so cute. Like, I love it. We have our own little kitchen outside. It is so cute.
Whoa! It's so pretty. You spoiled it. Wasn't even down here.
I didn't know that. I thought you were down here with me. But there's a swing, there's a lounge, there's a trampoline. And my favorite part is definitely this kitchen. This is where I'll be making everything. In fact, what food would you like? Do you want hot dogs? Do you want hamburgers? Do you want hot dogs? Do you want hamburgers? Do you want...
I want watermelon.
Okay, well, you have to have main food. Do you want pork chop?
I want pork chop.
Okay, so I'll make that, and let's fry it on the grill. Well, actually, let's grill it and make sure it's good. And then I'll start making your watermelon. And, Mia, would you like to fill up the little thing?
Oh, okay.
Okay, perfect. And the watermelon is done, and now we just gotta wait for the pork chops. And while the pork chops are cooking, I'm gonna make some some more salad because yeah, I just love salad.
I'm gonna fill it with iced tea and I'm gonna drink it all.
Oh.
Yummy. Yay, I drank it all.
Yeah. Be careful, that's coffee.
Cause I already drank all of it.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Be careful. Okay, well, the salad is done. And you know what? I'm gonna sunbathe on these chairs. Oh my gosh, when Alexia sees this, oh my gosh, she's gonna love it. I'm so excited.
I know, right?
She's gonna be like sunbathing. She's gonna love it. Oh, ew, what is that smell?
I don't know.
Ew, you farted.
No, I didn't.
Mia,
What?
don't be farting. Ew, get away from me. Ew. Do not be farting all over. Come on. You don't be farting everywhere. Oh, well, it looks like the pork chops are done grilling. So now we have to go bake them. And yeah. So let's go put them in the oven. And so, Mia,
Yeah.
who's your best friend at school? I know you have so many friends, but you have so much drama with all these friends. Who's your best friend right now?
Probably, this girl.
And what's her name?
Her name is Mackenzie.
Ooh, so...
It's Mackenzie and Chanel.
Oh,
Yeah.
what about Debbie? I thought you were friends with her.
What?
What about Debbie, your friend Debbie?
Oh yeah, she's my best friend.
Well, this
Yeah.
food is almost done, but I'm gonna munch on something because, oh my gosh, I'm
Oh,
so
and there's
hungry.
also a bunch of drama where basically Mackenzie stole Chanel's pencil, and then Chanel asked if Debbie had it, and Debbie said no, and then Chanel thought she was lying, so then Chanel hit her on the head, and Chanel went to the principal's office, and I don't know what happened to her since. But she's not my friend anymore since she hit Debbie, my bestie.
Oh,
Yeah, my school's kind of crazy. Can I say it?
say what? What are you trying to say?
I'm saying with my son right now.
Mia, quit it. The food is done. Come on, let's come eat. I'm so excited to try it because it smells so delicious. Oh my gosh. Mia, put that slime away. What have I told you?
You told me to keep it out.
No, I did not. Put it away now. Come on.
I haven't done this yet.
Mia, come eat with me. Come on.
I haven't done it yet, but I'm doing it right now.
What?
Dancing on the couch. counter.
Stop it! Come on!
Oh yeah. That's it.
This food is so delicious.
Yummy.
But I don't know about you, but the wind is starting to pick up.
Yeah, it's kind of getting windy. Gosh, so windy. I had to put my hood up.
Oh my gosh, it's getting unbelievably windy. I think I'm gonna put this food in the fridge because I don't think we can sit out here any longer.
Yeah, putting the food in here.
Yeah, let's just put it in the fridge really fast. Here, give me that salad. Oh my gosh, Mia, I'm going inside. I'm gonna go inside of your room because yeah, it's just better service and I think it would just be better in there. So let's go into your room right now immediately because it's very cold out there. I can't even see anything. It's so dark. The power just went out. I can't see anything. But I think your room has a little bit of service. So I'm just gonna go on the computer and be quiet. Let's just go on the news really fast and see. Oh yes, it's still working. And all these towns are almost down. Like this town, and so is this one and that one. And Waveside is down, and that's our town. So, and it says it should be back on soon. So, we need to see if anything else. We need to find anything else. Let's see. And I don't see anything else, but it says, all towns will be back on around 10, which is right now it's like 9:30, so that we have like 30 minutes to last in this dark. I mean, wow. What are we gonna do for like 30 minutes? Oh, and Mia has fallen asleep. Well, there's not much we can do, but I kind of want to go around the town, even though like this power and it's not like safe to be out in the town. But it sounds kind of fun, so why not? Mia, come on, we're going to the town.
Oh my gosh, am I getting kidnapped again?
It's just your mom. You're not getting kidnapped. Come on, we're gonna go explore. Whoa! Ow! Oh my gosh, I almost freaking nearly broke my leg.
Last time I was on his back and got kidnapped.
Oh my gosh. Mia. Oh my gosh, this is like really crazy. I'm slipping everywhere. Oh my gosh. There's a freaking slipping slide, which I can barely see. It's so dark. This slipping slide. I don't know what to do. Whoa, I'm getting blown quite a lot. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. In the gym. Oh gosh, I can barely. Oh, okay, we made it into the gym. Whew. Man, at least the wind stopped in here. But still, it's so hot in here. Gosh, it stinks like sweat too. Ew.
Oh.
Come on, let's get out of here. I don't think this is the place for us. It's so windy. Oh my gosh, the doors are flying the wrong way. Oh my gosh, Mia, we need to go somewhere. What is the closest store? Maybe this wasn't a good idea. Oh my gosh, I'm getting blown.
Wait.
I'm getting blown this way. Mia, help.
I'm trying to grab onto these chairs.
Oh, I made it in the store. I have no clue where Mia went, but I made it in the store, and this store doesn't stink at all. So I'm just going to stay in this store and hopefully wait for the power to go back on. I think I'm just going to sit in this corner because, gosh, it's so windy and it's so cold in here. I have no clue where Mia went, but I'm just going to stay here, and I'm pretty scared because I don't know where Mia went, and I hope she's okay. Oh, no. I have no clue. Maybe I should go look for her, but I don't know because I don't want to get, like... the wind is so strong. It's so hard to even look where you're going. Where'd she go, Mia?
Help!
I can hear her.
Don't let go of me.
Oh, where is she? Ah! Oh my gosh, I can see her. Mia! Mia! This umbrella! It's in my way. Gosh, this umbrella. I'm in the trees. Help! Mia, come here. Mia, try and walk towards me. It's kind of hard. Hold on to this umbrella. I got you. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
In the store. I closed the door. It's not closing. Oh, there. Oh. Okay, well, we made it into a store at least. This is the store I was in. Okay, I was sitting over here because there's, like, it's actually not as cold over here as it is over there. For some reason.
Which store are we in? I can't see anything.
I have no clue, but we're in a store, and at least we are. And it doesn't smell.
At least it doesn't smell like the gym. At least I brought my slime with me.
Oh, you brought your slime?
Yeah. It's always in my pocket.
What? Why would you bring your... Mia. It's starting to lighten up.
It is?
Yeah, it doesn't look like much things are blowing around looking out. See? Do you see much? I don't really see any more blowing around, or I don't see anyone, like, flying or whatever. Yeah, it's fine. I think, yeah, it stopped.
There's still a little bit of wind over here.
Yeah, but it's not bad. I think we can finally maybe, like, get home.
What the? Oh gosh,
the power's back on. Wait, this was the store we were in. Oh, we were in this little shop.
No wonder I fell over this. That hurt.
Oh, I love this shop. But we need to get home now. Okay, guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And we actually...
Yeah, I can't believe we survived that. And it got a light all of a sudden, and that kind of hurt. I was getting blown so much.
Yeah, I have so much dust in my eyeballs, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video because we really enjoyed filming this. And what content do you guys want to see? Also, if we hit 1,000 subscribers, we will be making a second channel. So if you want to see that, you should definitely like and subscribe, or you guys
Please.
And you should guys comment what content you would like to see. But this channel is only meant to be for Bloxburg, so if you guys want to see other Roblox games, then when we hit 1,000 subscribers, we will make that and do that for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah. Also, guys, sorry that we haven't been posting recently. We've actually been like busy because it is summer, and yeah. Bye,
clouds.
Wide open, but I'm not gonna close it because I don't get the phone. Hey clouds, welcome back to the channel. So today we are it's not too far, so it shouldn't take long, but I'm really excited to see Mia so I can show her. Let's check the classroom, and there's not in okay.
How did power go out already? I think somehow like restarted recording.
Two pizzas. Sorry. I had a little burp. We should just re-record that whole video. Meow, where'd you go? Have you made it to the daycare yet?
I'm going right now.
Because I'm literally stalling right now. Because you're not even in my family.